All right, oneofoneboxbreaks.com. Here we go. Getting to box 4 here. Prime signatures. 1 left. It doesn't even want to stay in there. Doing this for Terry tonight. Here we go. Good luck. First 3 boxes have had nothing. So maybe we'll find something hot for you in here. All right, here we go. First card, LaShawn McCoy, Philadelphia Eagles. Beast for me in fantasy this year. And that's going to be your base. 344 out of 499. Sorry about the focus. I'm working on it with the camera and everything. Next card is going to be Sean Green, New York Jets. I think it might have something to do with the lighting and how far I'm holding things and stuff, but working out my problems here. Number 319 out of 499. For the Jets. Next card is going to be Blaine Gabbert. And that's our prime proof short print. And that one's going to be 31 out of 49. Nice little Blaine Gabbert for you there. And then, oh, this would have been a beast of a hit back in the day. Nice little on-card Brandon Weeden. Nice big old auto there. On card, looking good. Numbered 11 of 25. So that's actually a pretty good hit there. Let's see what happens with Weeden, huh? At the beginning of last year, this would have been a huge hit. So that's it for that box. Thank you very much, Terry. Appreciate it.